Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put the messenger in black or dark mode. We'll start by opening the Messenger app. Once inside, we corroborate that we are with the normal mode within the application, including conversations. To switch to dark mode, we will do the following. We go to the initial screen and click on the drop-down menu on the left, then click on the gear icon. Here inside, we will find the option of dark mode and click on it. We see that we have the possibility to directly activate the dark mode or choose to configure it automatically depending on the mode we have in the system in general. In this case, we activate it directly and see how the entire interface changes to dark mode. To deactivate it, we will return to the previous menu path and click on the off option. You will see that the interface changes to normal mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.